Hi everyone. You can proceed through this course in a number of different ways. On the left-hand side, we've got a series of menu options. On the right-hand side, there's a series of active links. And in the center, there's a series of links and graphics. It's probably easiest for many of us to use the center of the screen's material, because here you've got an intuitive format that allows you to see the title of each module and also actively click on the picture or the name. So if we look at the center of the material, we have first a series of pictures with the name overlaying it, Fundamentals of Energy Resources, and then beneath that we've got 4 pictures coupled with titles. And the first one says, of course, Start Here. You've already clicked on that, and you see then that you've got a series of videos to watch. And at the bottom of that screen, you've got a series of informative bullets. At the very bottom, you have bullet number 7 that says, what if I have another question? Notice that there is a facts page, a frequently asked questions page, and I would at least look at that now, because that'll give you some assurance that if you have questions, they're just a click away in terms of being answered. For instance, let's say you want to know what kind of browser you should use for the course, or how can I improve the playback of the videos, or how to contact the instructor. All these kinds of questions are answered here on this facts page. So I recommend taking a quick look at it now, and then of course later in the course, if you have more questions, you can first go to the facts page in order to see if a question has already been addressed. When you get back to the front page and you click on to module number 1, you'll be taken to the first of the 3 modules for the course. And you'll be asked first to watch a brief video, one of many that you'll have in the course. And beneath that, you'll have a series of active links. Now, you can click on these active links and be taken to the various parts of the class. It's perhaps easier, though, if you click on the very bottom right button that says Next. The course designer and myself have created the course so it's as easy to navigate as possible. So what I would recommend is use the Next button whenever possible, because that will take you through a very structured, linear pattern of progress through the course. You can, of course, bounce around in any direction that you like by clicking on the links that you see here. But if you want to proceed linearly and in a way that the course director and I have determined is probably the most logical, please click on the Next button on the lower right-hand side of the screen. As always, I'm at your disposal if you have any questions about the content and or how the course is going to flow. And so please don't hesitate to contact me or Canvas or the course designer.